is my street. I smile at the faces I've known all my life. They regard me with pride, and everyone's sweet. They say you're going places, so how can I say that while I was away, I had so much to hide? Hey guys, it's me. It's the biggest disappointment, you know. The kid couldn't hack it. She's back and she's walking real slow. Welcome home. Just breathe.
Andando el camino por toda su vida, respira.
Just breathe.
Tienes mis sueños, que Dios te bendiga. Respira.
As the radio plays old forgotten boleros, I think of the days when the city was mine. I remember the praise, te adoro, te quiero. The neighborhood waved and said, Mina, be brave and you're gonna be fine. Maybe it's me, but it all feels like lifetimes ago. So what do I say to these faces that I used to know? Hey, I'm home.
Mira, Nina,
Hey,
no me preocupo por él.
they're not worried about me.
Mira, allí está nuestra estrella.
They are all counting on me to succeed.
Nacida la tuya.
I am the one who made it out. One who always made the grade. But maybe I should have just stayed home. When I was a child, I stayed wide awake, climbed to the highest place on every fire escape, restless to climb. I got every scholarship, saved every dollar, the first to go to college. How do I tell them why? I'm coming back home with my eyes on the horizon. Just me and the jeans of the beat. Asking Nina, what'll you be? Straighten the spine, smile from the neighbors. Everything's fine, everything's cool. The standard reply, lots of tests, lots of papers. Smile, wave goodbye, and pray to the sky. Oh God, and what will my parents say when I go in there and say, I know that I'm letting you down? Just breathe.